Welcome back here again up at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today, it's test drive time in a 1975 Camaro. This car, I looked up the motor number. It could be it's a 1967, believed to be 327. But in that year, it could be a 302, 327, 350. It does have the small harmonic balancer in it. I'm gonna say believed to be a 327 under the hood. Nice quiet motor with aluminum radiator, power steering. It's cammed up. Should be a pretty good test drive. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Try to post videos every single day. And also check out maplemotors.com for all of our inventory. Also have finance options and shipping available all over the country here. We'll go ahead and shut the hood down because it's that time. Let's go for a ride. Gonna take a look around the interior before we take off. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? This one is showing 64,000 miles on the dash. With it not being a 75 model motor, odds are that's not the motor that came in it for sure. It's a 67 model motor, and I cannot stand behind the miles. Looking across the dash, it's showing, you know, some wear and tear. This interior's not the greatest. It's definitely original. It looks all right though. Headliner's not terrible. I mean, it's got some wrinkles over in the side. Package tray needs to be redone. A little fading on some of the plastics. Let's go over some of the stuff that works and doesn't. I'm gonna start it up here. You got a tach right behind the steering wheel. It is working. We've had it running for just a second and the temperature is coming up a little bit. Oil pressure gauge is trying to move around, but I mean, odds are it's not on 80 right now. So I'm gonna say that's not working either. Let's try our wipers. They're working. Did you bet on the horn yet? Trying it extra hard for y'all. Blower motor. Blower motor's out on this one. All right, let's hit the road. Let me get my seat belt on. Stiff getting it in there. Make sure I'm not neutral here. There's our neutral gear. Motor in this thing sounds great. Pulling pretty strong. It's not bad at all. Going down the road, you can kind of feel all the little bumps and stuff. Suspension feels all right, but it's a little rigid. Steering's very tight, no slack at all. It's going straight down the road, no issues there. The brakes are working very well. Speedometer was coming up on the dash there. Gas gauge is floating around. It's giving me an indication that it's probably working right. The seatbelt's missing the little clip on the back of the seat to keep it off your neck. Something I'd have to add. sweating too much. Have that thing rubbing on my neck. It's a good driving car right here. Everything's nice and solid. Car's got plenty of power, shifting good. I'm gonna pull in this parking lot right here. We're gonna get some outside pictures. Probably go ahead and do the full walk around on this car. You can see all of my equipment that I use in the description below. Use all this stuff. Usually have that little coolant towel on to keep me cool, but it's not terrible today. All right, let's get these shots. Get set up in here in the driver's seat to give y'all a good view of what it looks like to be driving this car down the road. Definitely rolling down the window over here. Let's take off. See, the tach's a little loose on here. It needs to be bolted up. I was trying to see if I could see the turn signals popping up on the dash, but I don't hear them clicking either, so. In the parking lot, we were circling around. I noticed the car never got over 190. And we were doing a bunch of outside videos on it. I don't think the kickdown's hooked up on this one. It just gets downs. This is the road we're coming up on that's got the speed bump in it. Kind of checks for rattles, gives you an idea on the suspension. Like I said in the beginning, the suspension feels good. speed bump coming out right here in the middle of the road. Nice and smooth. Not really many rattles in this one. Pulling on back into the lot now. Gonna be doing a walk around on this car, pointing out any kind of flaws that I could find. I do appreciate y'all riding with me. If you have any other questions, please visit maplemotors.com. Check that out. It shows all of our inventory. We update every week. I know Monday we have about 10 cars coming in, so we should have a good update for you. You can also get financed, and you can get shipping information, all on that website as well. Also, you want to see these cars every day, everything that we get in, all the test drives, hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell to alert you when they're posted. I appreciate it, guys. Y'all have a good one. Thanks again.